Hello viewers, we have a project over here. It's a ZK time attendance with the fingerprints, and also it's a magnetic door opening locks. Okay, let's see. This is the fingerprint device. It's a ZK F12. So we have here fingerprint options, and this fingerprint will support. Here we have a magnet door. You can see the magnet door here. So it will support through our fingerprint to be open. Okay, let's see. We will try. Here, for example, if I put the finger,
Thank you.
see, he tick mark and verified fingerprint. It's open already. So let's say again try.
Thank you.
So immediately I have to open. See, it's open. So here you can see our magnet over here, and then here is the another magnet. Okay, with the bracket. Let's say inside we have a push button. For example, if it is closed, the door, we close the door. So from the inside, suppose we need to go. So everybody has no key, so we will just press here the push button. See, it's open. So guys, see you in the next location, next project. Have a nice day. Bye bye.